Hi guys, it's Salvan. Thanks for joining me today. I'm making a popular dish called Sushi Baked, so if you like it, please give me a thumbs up and let's get started. Enclosed are the ingredients listed by prepping steps. I have also included items if you choose to toss ingredients together for making the eel sauce. Description for making the sauce is enclosed below my video. We'll start with the sushi rice. I am doing 2 cups today, and that will basically make a 9 by 13 pan or smaller. If you are making it for a bigger crowd, you would adjust the rice and ingredients accordingly. I am using a brand called Calrose Rice, but there's tons of other brands out there that you can definitely find in your regular grocery store. It will be in your international section aisle or an Asian store near you. Even Amazon sells it. You can also use jasmine rice if you need to. You'll need to wash and rinse about 2 or 3 times just to make sure you get out all those impurities. When you think about your rice, it goes through various processes from it being grown to harvested by big machines, and who knows what else before it ends up in the bag. It's pretty interesting, that's for sure. You can also choose to make this on a stove, and there's tons of method on that process as well on the web. I definitely find having a rice cooker much simpler. I'm all about shortcuts and bringing the same results. I'll be using the index finger method as to how much water to add in. Rule of thumb is that you'll need to have equal amounts of water to your rice. For example, if you did 2 cups of rice, it would be 2 cups of water. Cooking time will vary about 10 to 15 minutes. All you do is push the rice cooker button and walk away. At this point, go ahead and preheat your oven to 375. I am now going to shred my crab meat. I have already shredded most of it, as you can see here. If you prefer to chop it up, you certainly can. That's entirely up to you. I'm using about half a bag here. If you want more or less, that's going to be up to you. With your cooked shrimp, you'll just chop that up. If you're using smaller shrimp, you can just toss them whole in the mixture. I have about 16 medium pieces here that I'm going to chop up. What I love about this recipe is that you can choose to add other seafood items to your mixture, such as salmon or even lobster. You definitely have that option. When your rice is done, you're going to gently mix it, but not too hard. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to go ahead and use a separate bowl to mix it all together. Generally, I would just do it all in the same pot to save dishes and time. I'm going to go ahead and add in my vinegar. And then my salt. And again, gently mixing it in. Pour your rice into your baking pan. And then we're going to go ahead and even it out and pat it down. For the seafood mixture, I'm going to go ahead and add in the cream cheese. Make sure it's softened enough. That way it's easier to mix in with the other ingredients. You'll go ahead and add in your chopped shrimp and also your crab meat. Then you got your mayo that you'll be adding in. Sugar, salt, garlic, and onion powder. And then you're going to go ahead and mix well together. And here's the yummy part. We're going to put in the seafood mixture, and you'll spread that nice and generously evenly across the top. If you prefer to mix the rice and the seafood mixture together and then put it in the pan, you can do that too. I actually prefer that method better than this one, but everybody is different, so whatever you desire. Go ahead and sprinkle your sushi seasoning across the top. This stuff is amazing. There are other flavors out there, but I prefer this one. You can buy this at your local grocery or Asian store. Put more or less if you so choose. At this point, if you want to use eel sauce to go over the top, and you can do that, in a piping diagonal method. We'll be baking this for about 20 minutes at 375 degrees. And there you go. Let it cool down before eating, about 15 minutes. You can always preheat this back up if you have leftover. This really looks amazing. To serve this up, you'll get your sushi wraps, cut them in quarters, and you want to use scissors for that. And here's what it looks like. You can cut it further if you want smaller serving. One side will be smoother than the other. It doesn't matter which side you use. And then you'll be serving it up like this. And there you have it. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and comment and share this with your family and friends. To see when I upload new videos, please subscribe to the channel. Kopjai. Thank you. Until next time.